Welcome, guys. Apologies, I had a little break last week, but I'm back and back with a bang because Bitcoin is doing things, market is doing things, and Discord is also doing things. I hope you're there, guys. I hope you're part of my PG squad because there's a lot happening in there. Quick look on Bitcoin first off, and then I'm gonna just check a few of your charts. There aren't going to be actually that many today, but you're more than welcome, guys, to come join the Discord community part, which is free. Chat to me about your picks and chat to me about what you think market is going to do next. So let's go and check out the corn, what it's doing right now, and then hop on and see the alts. This is a quick look on the daily for you right now. Just want you to pick just want you to ignore some of the lines because these are price alerts. Usually when you take a screenshot they actually disappear, but unfortunately when you screen record you see them all. There are, however, some lines I wanted to pay attention to, as we were marking a range here previously and we were working with that range and we've had it discussed. I had it discussed here with you guys on YouTube and also within the Discord, where we were dissecting A to B, B to A, B to A, B to C, all that stuff. How it works, how you can mark your levels, how you can mark your ranges, and you can trade up them. So one thing worth definitely noting is at the top orange line here, which sits at $30,000, and also the bottom line here that sits at 26,979 according to my chart. There is a broken orange line here that we're going to come down to in a minute, and the big ass purple. We had that marked recently after Bitcoin was losing that strength, where it hit the top of this range on the daily and then was rolling lower to hit the bottom of the range we have established here. A lot that we also take into consideration, and I won't be able to discuss here with you, are current news, current FUD, current FOMO, current everything and anything that could help you make good decisions and trade the range. We had this range established, and we tried our best to trade it. And I'm going to show you guys only over the weekend. I came to you on Telegram and into Discord, so everybody had this scoop to keep an eye on Bitcoin, what it was doing. There was a channel, we saw the downtrend channel, and we were coming down to this big ass purple line. And right now, if we zoom in, I'll show you. This is the long that we had marked on entry around this area here, taking into consideration Trader's Reality indicator, which I have also started explaining to the guys in the Discord. We're learning that we're going to be trading more and more based on this indicator. So if you want to learn, guys, definitely join us. You'll be able to get that scoop. You'll be able to get into the details on how to use different indicators that are actually free. I know it looks funky, there's a lot going on, there's a lot of colors, but don't worry too much about this. All that matters is that we learn how to make money. And yesterday I actually had a live session with the guys and we marked this short, and lo and behold, at least one of our targets has hit, and it has been a brilliant exercise to basically show how how you have to decide as a sniper, as that trader, where to enter and where to pull the trigger. Beautiful. So far so good. The entry has been secured, the stop loss has been moved. We're moving with the market. So also right now I'm going to get rid of this for you for a second. Something that we are looking at here is that orange line that also has been marked. That was the bottom of the range that we had before established. This is my price alert, sorry, and that's the purple line that we keep going back to. This is my level of, you know, once you lose it, we're definitely rolling lower. Something that worth noting was I also had pinpointed this price level, $26,097, and that wick that touched on first go came all the way here. Now this was obviously our stop hunt on if you caught it, if you went into the trade immediately seeing this strength, happy days. And I actually made a point as well about alts. If you see Bitcoin doing that, if you see that sort of volatility, it is, and it can be profitable if you catch it. But you really need to have your skills on point. You really need to know that you're in and out, honestly, like a sniper. No sentiments, nothing. We see the move played out. We had the long, it went all the way to the target. We also are looking here currently at Bitcoin moving down, hitting the bottom of the range. And frankly, I am not ruling out seeing this actually roll lower, but make a note of the fact that we are also seeing here a bit of a W formation. Another thing what we would like to see for Bitcoin to do right now to confirm this reversal would be piercing through that 50 EMA on the hourly, and with conviction, same way as it did just over here, and basically moved up higher. But we are really sticking to A to B, B to A, guys. There were a lot of lines like I was showing you earlier, the chart, but there is a reason, because we have those key levels. We have the marked points where we see where to possibly TP and how to react to what market is going to do next. It seems to be all over the place. There isn't a direction. We're back in a range. We're basically, now this was a weekend action where we're doing a lot of, like, you know, nothing. But it's really worth starting to look around and seeing some coins and narratives that may play out next. Once again, Discord already knows we are there, guys, keeping an eye on the market, on the different narratives, what we could possibly use right now to our advantage. I'm also working on my portfolio with them and DCAing into certain assets, explaining why I'm buying some of them already, why I am waiting for the others, and hopefully in few months time, in a year's time, be able to show you how much hard work went into all of this and how it paid off. Because that's what it is, guys. It is not a race, it's a marathon, and planning, execution is key here. Just to go back to the Bitcoin here, guys, you know what's going on here on the hourly. We're waiting for Bitcoin to, well, get out of a certain level again, because it is one more tighter range. We are observing the high block heat maps. We're looking at, you know, potential more volume coming in, because currently we know where money is. It's all in all the meme coins, okay? And then it seems to be the way that market wants to continue that narrative. There was a bit of a cooling period because Pepe dropped a lot. All the other coins have dropped with it as well. But there are other ones that are taking over the spotlight, and it seems to be a race of, you know, what's going to happen next. So there we go, guys. You see that orange line, how many times it has been hit, how it deviated here, how it was that resistance, and now Bitcoin is doing what it can to stay above that line. That would mean we are again back into that key range that we had established. That side action, you know, it is great for scalpers, like I said, that understand that it can easily just play A to B, B to A, get out of the market, wait for a setup, wait for that key level to hit, and make their money. But also it is a range that is exhausting people that are inexperienced, that are ending up losing a lot of money, entering where they don't know, hoping for something, and then ending up getting wrecked. Keep an eye on Bitcoin dominance. Keep an eye on sorry, wrong screen. I need to press a few things here. Keep an eye on Bitcoin dominance. Keep an eye on Dixie. It was dropping, but it came also to support level here, and now it seems to be kind of, you know, those moves get quicker at times. Sometimes, you know, you see a quick volatile move, obviously that will reflect on the market, and then when you're kind of waiting for something to happen, you can easily end up making the wrong decision. Looking at, you know, overall picture will help you gather all the information, will help you make a decision. At the end of the day, guys, it is still 50-50. Whether it goes up or down, it's down to the market, but it's up to you where you make a decision how to enter, when to exit. It's okay to lose, and honestly, I've been seeing this a lot. A lot of people are getting very frustrated and thinking, you know, I'm gonna leave. It's not for me. I've lost money. You lose money if you allow yourself to go over a limit. You can always come back to the market next day or few weeks time and start over with fresh head, so long you understand that losing is part of this game. It is also part of your learning process, and it's okay to lose money. Don't let the market take it all. Don't go crazy with leverage. Don't go crazy with size. Don't go crazy with not having stop losses. Stop losses, if you're experienced trader, are not needed, but usually people who don't have stop losses are those that are staring at the charts 24/7, basically looking at a chart and babysitting every cent, every second of their trade, and they understand that it might come close to their level of acceptance, level of what they've agreed on and decided on in terms of their part of risk management, and they're okay with that. It really is all down to that mindset as well. And yeah, I will tell you once again, guys, because that's how my Discord basically varies and is totally different than all the others. We help you understand these things, and we help you with mindset and help you with your healthy balance and understanding of how it can affect your mentality and how to deal with it. So this is what I'm looking at currently is small steps with Bitcoin on a higher time frame. As I was showing you guys, there is not a lot to discuss in terms of where we're at, but we need to remember to keep an eye on this this line, and then down the bottom. I am seeing a lot of people shouting for that 25,000. I understand why. Obviously, it's a very, very key level. You see that box here. You see why it is an important range and zone, but it is one that everyone is waiting for. Question is market maker going to allow this to happen? Are they going to give you discounts that you are waiting for? And another question is, if they do come back lower, what's stopping them from coming all the way down to the 20,000? We do have this range here, which is in around 23.5. But look at this big range here, all the way from 21 to 20,000, and that measly support at 19. Because why not go all the way back down to 18, right? And then 12. All the way here. 15, and then all the way down to 12. That's the key, guys. Let's not lose our cool. We could be going all the way down to 0 from here and waiting for those discounts, okay? Just play it by ear, play it level to level, have a healthy approach and mindset. Don't go all in. Don't bet against the market just because you are looking for a revenge trade and your promise up only from here, and you were supposed to already be rich because you are in this bear market for the last 2 years. Anyways, I will only, guys, encourage you to come again as well and hang with us. If you're not looking for education, at least come to my Discord and hang. Say hello. Talk to us about your experience, about everything and anything that you like or dislike about crypto. Where do you think it's going? Or just come and ship us, because we do that too. And I love the part where you guys are sharing all the memes and funny jokes. There's a special part for it. The Discord would be totally lost without that side of it. Let's go, guys, and check on alts. I'm sticking to just waiting it out a small bit in terms of buying heavier bags for my long term. The way I'm seeing this big formation here, it's a big massive M and only drop level 1. We have reversed here, and are we waiting for drop level 2? My overall idea, and I've shared it with many people already, is that we will be front run and we will not see the 25,000 that easily. We might come back and refill this wick, or even come up to 25,500. I just feel down this box, if it happens, it nearly feels too good to be true. But again, we're going to play it by ear. We're going to see. Every formation, everything you see can be invalidated, guys. This is looking like a leg of a double bottom as well. It could be your W. We could just come back down here, retest a little bit higher and reverse. The invalidation would obviously come above this level. So it would take time. It would take a lot of, again, debating, a lot of, mind fuckery, because there's no other way to say it. Because that's what this market is designed to do. People will argue. They're going to be constantly, sticking to their bias and wishing for things to happen. That's not what you're here to do. There's no wish. There's no hope. There's no, there's facts. A to B, B to A. And in terms of trading, day trading, scalping, you need to get into that mind frame. If you are an investor and if you're looking for long term, I believe now is the time to do so, because you have a lot of time to do that research, to really look into the background of things, and then decide where and when you're going to start buying. Bull market will be back, guys, the same way as you thought that bear market will never end, that this sort of price action is never going to change. Same way as everyone is thinking right now that memes are not going anywhere and they're all going to the moon, and we are never going to see any other narrative take over. Watch this space. Watch this space. It's all relative. On that note, I'm wrapping it up, guys. See you around. Let's move on to the alts.